By the way, I think it's actually 7 because there is 1 hour of time zone difference. Good morning. So it's day 2 of trying to go to islands. I slept in 4 different places. I'm not sure I actually managed to sleep actually. It's 7 and something right now. And yeah, so today the journey doesn't stop there, because then when I arrive in Whistler, not in Dublin, I need to take a bus going from Whistler to Dublin, and I need to not miss this bus. We're still too far away from Ireland. There. There's a lighthouse. Problem is that I can't go further than this to have a view. Waiting for the second bus. Alright, so I'm now in Dublin, and yeah, the bus ride, I was so tired, I was nearly falling asleep, but the woman behind me spent the entirety of the trip, so like 3 hours on the phone, no, 2 hours and a half on the phone, and like she was so loud. By the way, because I was trying to stay on a budget, I booked a bed in a dormitory in a backpacker hotel, basically, or youth hostel. So yeah, it's not going to be really fun. I hope that I will be able to sleep, but the prices for a normal hotel room were just too expensive. Like, it was above 1,000 for a week, 1,000 euros, and I just couldn't afford that. It's right there. I still tried to look for like a good youth hostel, which was really nice, where you can have sort of a bit of a private space in your bed. So yeah, and that was less than 400 for the week. So for tonight, I had plans to do all this to finish the journey from France to Ireland, basically, and then to leave everything at the hotel and to go out again for quite a long walk. But I'm just too exhausted for the long walk, and on top of that, I looked at it on Google Maps, and it looks like it's not going to be super pretty. I need to do like a sort of detour if I want to walk on a beach and so that it's nice. Otherwise it's just going to be an industrial zone and like trucks and all that. So yes, I wanted to walk up to the Great South Wall and maybe the lighthouse, but I'm not going to do that because I'm really tired. I'm just going to walk along the river and up to the harbour basically, and then come back, buy some food and just rest because I'm so tired. It's somehow the Irish Immigration Museum, Ginny Johnston, that's the boat, Samuel Beckett Bridge, and the dive there. So that's the Samuel Beckett Bridge. The harbour and industrial place. GoPro now. It's so windy, I don't know if the sound is better on there or not. I'm going to go buy some food now. Convention center again. And that bridge again. The boat again. What's the name? Jenny Johnson? Jenny Johnston. I thought this wouldn't be interesting, but it looks really interesting. So maybe I might change my plans again for tomorrow, or who knows, and add this to my calendar. I don't know. I will see.